Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you all the best books of UPSC CSE prelims and as well as mains. Let's get started. Let's start with history. India's Struggle for Independence by Bipen Chandra. Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania. NCERT of 11th class, Ancient and Medieval. NCERT of 12th class, Modern Indian History. Geography books are Certificate Physical Geography by G.C. Leong, NCERT of 6th to 10th Standard, Old Syllabus, NCERT of 11th and 12th Standard, New Syllabus. World Atlas, Orient Black Swan book. Now let's know the books of Indian Polity. Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. NCERT from 9th to 12th standards. Economics books are Indian Economic by Nitin Singhania. Economic Development and Policies in India by Jain and Ori. And NCERT of class 11th. International Relation books are NCERT of class 12th, Contemporary World Politics. You have to read this book of class 12th. And Current Affairs. Current Affairs are very important for international relations. Now let's know the books of CSAT. Tata MC Graw-Hill CSAT Manual. This book is important in CSAT. Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. And for Prelims GS1, IAS General Studies Prelims Solved Papers by Vishal Publications. You have to practice solved papers throughout the journey of prelims. These are the best books suggested by IAS toppers. If you want to know more about UPSC, you can follow my channel in which I'll be saying everything related to UPSC. And I forgot to tell you that current affairs and newspaper reading is very important with the preparation of UPSC CSE. If you will read newspaper, then it will be very benefit to you, and as well as current affairs. So go through that.